Hey guys, today we're learning Lighthouse by Sierra Ferrell. Super great song, and I'm going to go through a pretty easy version for beginners with just a couple chords and just a pattern over and over again. We're in standard tuning, and I'm not even using a pick, but you can if you want. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so for us the whole song is just the same 4 chords and the same pattern over and over again. I'm going to go through each of these chords really slowly for you, and then I'll go through the strumming pattern. So what are these 4 chords? They're the A major, the D major, the A major once again, and then the E major. So really it's just 3. So the A is like this. You need 3 fingers from your hand. So you can either use these 3 fingers or you can use these 3 fingers. I'm using these 3. So that is my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the top, my ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string from the top, and my pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string from the top. You gotta fit them all on that 2nd fret. Strum that out. Nice. Next is the D. This is another common chord. I'm putting my pointer finger on the 4th string from the top on the 2nd fret, my ring finger on the 5th string from the top on the 3rd fret, and my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the last string from the top. 6th string. So we have the A, and then we're switching to the D. Cool. Then we switch back to that A, and then we go to an E. This E is my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string from the top, my ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the top, my pointer finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string from the top. That's E major. So we have A, D, A, E. Let me do it again. A, D, and then we're going A, E, A. So that second time around, we're cutting the A in half, but I'll explain that all when I get to the strumming. So now here's the strumming. I'm going down, down, up, down, for 1 chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. This is a really common strumming pattern. Just if you take it slow, you'll get it. Then you can speed it up and it'll sound natural. So yeah, each of them get 1 of those patterns. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, at the end it switches up a little bit. It's down, down, up, switch down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So we're cutting that strumming pattern in half and switching chords in between it. So hopefully you got all that. There is a solo you can learn in a different video, which is like, and it's just a little extra fun, but those chords will work for the whole song. Now let me show you what it sounds like with like the verse or the chorus. She's going like, would you be the lighthouse? Would you be the lighthouse? Would you be the lighthouse for my soul? Would you be the guiding light? Tell me everything's alright. Would you be the one that I love so? Or she could do the verse, which is, I was on a path I thought was so bright and so pure, but each step I took, it did something, did something, did something. But you get the gist. The whole thing. Even I know I'm gonna be okay. I was alright without you. 'Cause I know there's a brighter day for whole song. So yeah, now you know how to play Lighthouse by Sierra Ferrell. If I added some value to your day, please consider subscribing, dropping a like or something. If you hate those mainstream guitar tutorialists who did not do this song, subscribe here. I got you. Comment what you want me to do for you. And yeah, have a great day.